Okay, welcome back, no? So, good evening to everyone. So, this is our next lesson or next topic that we considered in addition to our first quarter examination, that is significant figures. A significant figures is composed of digits with uncertainty plus the first uncertain digit. So, ibig sabihin, compose siya ng digits with uncertainty and, of course, with uncertain digits. So, sige, apply natin siya dito sa konsepto ng rules in counting the number. So, number one rule is all non-zero digits are significant. So, example natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is considered as non-zero. And that non-zero is considered as significant, no? O, that is a significant figure, right? Kasi non-zero, ang 10 ba? Masasabi mong significant figures? Yung 1 lang ang significant figures. Why? Because kapag sinama mo yung 0, hindi na siya significant. That is yung 1, that is considered as 1 SF. Right? Kasi ano siya consider as parang hiwalay na number, pinagsama mo lang. That is 10. So, consider as 1 SF pa rin. Kasi 0 yung isa. It is not counted as significant. Okay, number 2. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Example tayo, 102 is ilang SF? That is 3 SF because we consider the 0 in the middle, right? So, 2001, we consider the 0 between 2 and 1, that is 4 SF. And this, 4008, that is considered the 0 in the middle of 4 and 8, that is 5 SF. Okay? So, that is the rule number 2. In rule number 3, in whole numbers between the zeros to the right of a non-zero digit are not significant unless a bar is placed between the zero or unless a bar is placed above the zero. Above pala yun, hindi pala siya between. Sorry. Okay, above siya, no? So, example, 6,000. So, ilang SF to? That is considered as 1 SF. We apply the rule of 1. All non-zero digits are significant. Example number 2, 16,000, that is 2 SF. Because walang bar na nakalagay. Ang ina-apply natin rule dito ay combination ng rule number 1. Di ba? So, 6,000. May bar siya sa taas. So, ang bar niya ay isa lang. So, that is considered as 2 SF. Ito naman, may bar siya na continue. So, from 01 to 03, no? So, diretso ang bar niya. So, 16,000, that is considered as 5 SF. Okay, gets? Okay. So, kapag may bar siya, automatic counted mo na siya as kasama siya. Okay, dito naman tayo sa rule number 4. When a number has a decimal point, zeros to the right of a non-zero digit are significant, but those to the left are not. So, ang significant lang dito ay 0 digit o non-zero digit are significant. Magiging significant lang yan kapag yung zeros niya ay matatagpuan sa right. Pero kapag ka sa left, hindi na siya significant. Example natin, 20.0. Ilang SF siya? That is what? That is 3 SF. Number 2, 101.90, that is 5 SF. Why? Kasi nga, to the right. Pag to the right, yung non-zero mo, considered mo siya as significant. 500. Ilang SF yan? That is 3 SF. Ito, 0.005254. That is called ilang SF? Guess. That is 4 SF. Kasi nga, kapag binilang mo dito sa right, yung place mo, to the left pala, to the left, hindi na siya consider as significant. That is non-significant or not significant at all na. Kaya, i-counted mo lang tong 5,254. Ito, kasi, to the right, kaya siya counted. Nagigets? Okay, rule number 5. If the number is expressed in exponential form, the exponent has no effect on the number of significant figures. Example natin, 4.12 times 10 raised to 5. That is 3 SF. Ito naman 8.10 times 10 raised to negative 2. That is, ilang SF you guess? That is 3 SF. Patunayan natin. So 8. O, ito naman sa number 2. Try natin to. 1, 2. That is 810. That is considered as 3 SF. Ito number 1 naman. O, raised to positive 5. Paano? Okay, paano? O, paano yan? So, 412, no? 0. What? 0.00004. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, baliktad, no? Dito, nagano tayo. To the right tayo, kaya included yon, kaya 3SF. Ito naman, to the left naman siya. Okay? So, mangyayari is 0.012, that is 3SF din, component.